Hello everyone. Welcome to Story 2 Speak. Today, we will practice English reading. Last month, I got a new job. I was very happy. I had been looking for a job for many weeks. Every day, I searched for new opportunities. I updated my resume. I applied for many positions. Some companies did not reply. Some companies rejected my application. I felt disappointed at times. But I did not give up. I continued to learn new skills. I practiced English every day. I improved my communication skills. One morning, I received an email. A company wanted to interview me. I was excited. I carefully prepared for the interview. I researched the company. I practiced common interview questions. I chose my clothes for the interview. I wanted to make a good impression. On the day of the interview, I woke up early. I had breakfast. I reviewed my notes. Then, I traveled to the office. The office building was large and modern. I felt a little nervous. However, I stayed calm. The interviewer welcomed me warmly. We talked about my experience. We talked about my skills. I answered the questions confidently. The interview lasted about 30 minutes. After the interview, I thanked the interviewer. Then, I returned home. I waited for a response. A few days later, my phone rang. The company called me. They said I was selected for the job. I could not believe it. I was extremely happy. I thanked the manager. I shared the good news with my family. Everyone was excited. My parents congratulated me. My friends were happy for me. The following week was my first week at work. I arrived early on the first day. I met my new colleagues. They were friendly and helpful. My manager showed me around the office. I learned about my responsibilities. I received my first tasks. At first, everything was new. There was a lot to learn. Sometimes, I made small mistakes. But my team supported me. Every day, I became more confident. I learned new tools. I learned new processes. I improved my skills. I enjoyed working with my team. I liked the positive environment. I felt proud of myself. Getting a new job changed my life. It gave me confidence. It gave me new opportunities. It helped me grow professionally. Most importantly, it taught me never to give up. Hard work and patience are important. Success does not happen overnight. If we keep trying, we can achieve our goals. Today, I am happy in my new job. I continue to learn every day. I continue to improve myself. Thank you for reading with me. Practice English every day. Read slowly. Read clearly. Speak with confidence. See you in the next Story 2 Speak lesson.